What's up? Hello, folks. Welcome to the Sounds of Africa, live on Simba Studios Television. My name is Simba, the one and only black man that dreams in English. The one and only African king. We are coming to you live from the beautiful California, the West Coast, the US of A. On the show today, we are featuring one of my favorite African bands. Originally from Soweto, Johannesburg, South Africa, Umzansi for sure. Give it up for Zulu Spear.
This is the great and mighty Zulu Spears.
Oliver G, Oliver G, Oliver G, Oliver G. Patangile, yeah, 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 patangile, yeah,
To all the musicians, especially the new and upcoming artists throughout Africa or even here in the diaspora, if you want us to play your videos, all you have to do is to visit us at www.simbastudios.global. Follow the instructions on how to share your videos with us, and we will play them right here on the Sounds of Africa. The website is right here. This rendition is entitled Bongo za Muto, originally done by Zimbabwe's own UNICEF Goodwill Ambassador, the great and the legendary musician, Oliver Tukumutukudzi. Hanzi munonyanya kani wakomana. Munombodaro ngeiko anasamanyika. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, live on Simba Studios Television, this is the Sounds of Africa.
My name is Morgan Tapo.
And I'm Gideon Blungisi Bendile. We both from South Africa. Morgan and I were born and raised in Soweto. We left South Africa just prior to the riots of South Africa in 1976.
The name Zulu came by the guy from Zimbabwe. His name is George. He told Sichaba, he says, Chaba, you know what? Your band should the name Zulu Spear. It will be like banning more than banning spears.
Kaligogo, hey hey, Kaligogo mama, Kaligogo, hey hey, Kaligogo mama, Kaligogo, hey hey. Let me hear you say that. Kaligogo, hey hey, Kaligogo mama, Kaligogo, hey hey, Kaligogo mama, Kaligogo, hey hey, Kaligogo mama, Kaligogo, hey hey.
There were shows like that. So Zulus really identified, and of course Zulus are the majority of South Africa. So that's a well-known name.
what's unique about Zulu Spear is that we are an eclectic group. We come from different places, different nationalities, but the foundation is South Africa. And the roots of it is incredible because the sound is very close to Western style, like the United States sound of music. And so South African is very unique because jazz, even rock, Jonathan Butler, jazz, Hugh Masekela. I mean, these are the people that we really admire and look up to and also work with.
To all the musicians, especially the new and upcoming artists throughout Africa or even here in the diaspora, if you want us to play your videos, all you have to do is to visit us at www.simbastudios.global. Follow the instructions on how to share your videos with us, and we will play them right here on the Sounds of Africa. The website is right here. This next track was originally done by South Africa's own two sons, Johnny Clegg and Juluka. It is called Umfazi Omdala. You know, African men used to have so many wives. I know what you're thinking. That was before HIV and AIDS. So, the first wife is called Umfazi Omdala. Let's enjoy some Zulus here. If you want to follow us and if you want to catch us and watch all these shows, you can easily download our free Simba Studios global app. It's now available on Google Play and on App Store. And you can watch the shows wherever you go, 24 hours a day in the palm of your hand. That's what's cool. Take it away. Live.
haven't seen Zulu Spear, come check us out. We'll blow you away.
To all the musicians, especially the new and upcoming artists throughout Africa or even here in the diaspora, if you want us to play your videos, all you have to do is to visit us at www.simbastudios.global. Follow the instructions on how to share your videos with us, and we will play them right here on the Sounds of Africa. The website is right here. This one here, ladies and gentlemen, is the Zulu Spears original song, and it is the name of their album. It's called Dancing in the Jungle. It is now available on iTunes.
From the painting in the caves to the pulsing of the raves, we dance. It's still the same. When the woman meets the man, the nature of the plan, they dance and spark the flame.
This one is entitled Arie, which means let's go. Let us enjoy some Zulu sounds here, ladies and gentlemen. Check out the dance. This is Simba Studios Television, ladies and gentlemen, live from California. Welcome to the West Coast. Take it away.
We've got the resources. We just need to keep on pushing to those kids that, let's go back to school. Don't go to school to learn how to sell. But if you have to sell, but create. South Africa needs us to create. We're in the stage of the whole thing is changing. We're just brand new country, everything is changing. We need to build the creators.
The music we do here, we all like everybody is all influence.
In this industry we have now, we've got the best musicians. Some guys, most of them, they are really teaching in bakery, and teaching, we've got like the best music ever.
So I'm fortunate to still have my friend here because without us, there's no Zulu speak.
We're ready to Zulu realize the world, right? Zulu realize the world.
We still dance,
We still have that energy, we're still there, and we're open.
through Zulu Spear, we were focused on freeing our country, South Africa. Now, we're trying to fulfill the legacy or the Mandela's dream of Ubuntu.
Zulu Spear is about Ubuntu. Ubuntu. Can you say Ubuntu? Ubuntu. That means humanity. We should love each other. Do something good every day to somebody. Give a smile to somebody. Help somebody. That is called Ubuntu. Can you say Ubuntu? Ubuntu. Thank you.
I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Sounds of Africa. If you would like to contact Zulu Spears Band, please find and message them on Facebook page, on their Facebook page, Zulu Spear Band. You can buy their music from iTunes. If you would like us to play your musical videos, please visit our website right here, www.simbastudios.global. Follow the instructions on how to share your videos with us, and we will play them on the next episode of Sounds of Africa. Thank you so much for watching, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed the show as much as I did. If you enjoy our programs here on Simba Studios Television, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. Please follow us on Facebook right here, and also click the like button. Follow us on Twitter. Follow us on Instagram. And you can also download our free Simba Studios Global app. You can watch all our shows, and you can also listen to Simba FM, our online radio channel, live in the palm of your hand, wherever you are in the world. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Until we meet again, I'm yours truly, the one and only African King, the only black man that dreams in English. My name is Simba. Peace.